We give you the base, you make it to taste. Let's make whole wheat pasta. Bring 2 quarts of water to a boil and add half a tablespoon of salt. Then add 8 ounces of whole grain pasta. Return your water to a boil and check the package instructions to cook an al dente pasta. Add your oil to the pan, have it shimmering, then garlic. Move it around the pan a little bit, careful not to burn. Then add 2 cups of vegetables of your choice. We have broccoli here. And we're gonna add a little salt and pepper. And go ahead and give them a toss. Careful not to overcook. Add 1 can of beans or lentils that have been rinsed, and then 8 ounces of animal protein if you'd like, and then your sauce. How much sauce you add will depend on how many vegetable, beans, or animal protein you've added. So double check that. And the more you add, the more sauce that you'll add. Now simmer this together until the vegetables soften. Now add your pasta. And this pasta wasn't rinsed. You don't want to rinse your pasta, and it doesn't need oil. It'll combine into the sauce and veggies and meat if added. You can add a little bit of pasta water, and that'll thin the sauce out. Then sprinkle it with any toppings of choice. Here's a little Parmesan. And we have some basil. Any other desired toppings. Check out the recipe in the description below. Cook confidently, simplify nutrition, feel better to your taste.